In this video, we will learn how to create a social media account selling marketplace website. Yes, dear viewer, if you watch this video completely, then you too can own social media account selling marketplace website. Because in this video, I will discuss step by step how you can create a social media account selling marketplace website without knowing any programming language. We are getting professional admin panel to control this website. Through this admin panel, we can control all the functionality and features of the website. Also, we are getting excellent responsive homepage design, which is very important for every user. We will find all the social media selling lists in by account section. Also, we are getting blog section. Here we can share different types of blog posts to give knowledge to users. And we are getting contact. In this contact section, the users of the website can contact us. We are getting the option to register the website as a new user. For this, every user has to register by submitting the correct information on their account. Also, users can easily log in to the website. So now let's log in to the website as a user. Now we can see the dashboard of a user account. Now we can buy or bid on various social media accounts. Now we are getting option to make payment from account wallet balance, or we are getting option to make payment from payment gateway. Then we can bid or we can directly purchase the account. Now we can make payments using various international automatic payment gateways. Also, we can easily apply to sell any type of social media account. For this, we have to submit our social media account information here step by step. I will discuss this topic step by step in this video. I will now introduce you to some important features of account section. In the account listing section, we can see all our social media selling application listings. We are getting features to edit from here. Also, we can see all our bid lists. And we can see the purchase account lists here. Then we can easily deposit into our account. For this, first we need to select payment gateway here. Then we have to submit the amount here. By adopting this method, we can deposit into the account very easily. Then we can see all the deposit history here. We can easily withdraw our account balances. For this, we have to select payment method here. Then we have to submit the amount and apply for withdrawal. We can see all the withdrawal history. And we can see all the transaction history of our account. We can contact the website admin for any problem through ticket support. And we are getting feature to change all account details and change password. Also, we are getting a nice section to keep account security. In the admin panel, we get all the features and functionality to manage the website. I will discuss with you the features and functionality of admin panel step by step. So let us now learn how to create a social media account selling marketplace website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create social media account selling marketplace website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this, we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google. Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this, we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish social media accounts selling marketplace website online. You can purchase high quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.1 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will convert this folder into zip file. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we need to give permissions to some folders. So now we will learn how to add permissions to folders. For this you have to follow this video step by step. Now we need to add the database information here. Now we will learn how to create database in hosting panel. Then we will learn how to add hosting panel database information to website. For this, please follow this video completely step by step. Then we need to submit admin login information here. Now we will click on Install Now button. Now we need to submit the correct information here for purchase verification. Then we have to click on Activate Now button. Our source code install complete. Now our website is completely ready. Now we need to delete the install folder. So let's now log into the admin panel. I will discuss with you step by step how to customize features and functionalities of admin panel. I will discuss these topics with you in the second lesson section of this video, because this is the first lesson section of this video. If you want to know step-by-step details about this source code, then definitely watch the second lesson part of this video.